Good morning, students. This video is for class 3 maths, and today we will start with exercise number 7.3. In exercise 7.3, they have given you smaller unit and they have asked you to convert into bigger unit. So if you remember in the introduction class that I have given on table and all, so I have told you in that class, if they give you smaller unit and they ask you to convert that into bigger unit, you have to divide. And if they give you bigger unit and they ask you to convert into smaller unit, you have to multiply. So in question number 1, they have said convert the following into kilometers and meters. So they have given you meters and they have asked you to convert that into kilometer as well as meter. So how will you do? Let us see. Question number 1a, 5000 meter. Now every time you will write this as I have told you, as we know. What they have given you? They have given you meter. So 1 meter is equal to what they have asked you? Kilometer. So 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer. So whatever the meter will be, if you divide by 1000, you will get kilometer. So you have to write in this information. As we know, 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer. Therefore, how much they have given you? 5000. 5000 meter is equal to 5000 by 1000. So you see how many zeros you have in kilometer? 3. Last 3 digit is 0. 1, 2, 3. So you strike off, and above also you see last 3 is also 0. So you will strike off. So how much is left? 5. So that is equal to 5 kilometer. But suppose if they don't give you round off number, like for example number E, they have given you 7269 meter, 7269 meter, and they have asked you to convert this into kilometer. So we will write as we know. What they have given you? Meter. So 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer. Therefore 7269 meter is equal to 7269 by 1000. In this case, how will you can either divide or there is a short process. What is that? You count the number of zeros you have from the back. 1, 2, 3. You have 3 zeros from the back, and from the back you count the number of digit 1, 2, 3 and put a decimal here. Put a point here. You strike off, and after striking you will put a point there. Starting from the back, how many zeros you have? If you divide by 100 will have 2 zero. So starting from the back, you will count 2 digit and put the decimal. If you divide by 1000, starting from the back, count 3 digit and put the decimal. Now whatever you have before the decimal, whatever you have before, you have 7, so it will be 7 kilometer, and after the decimal 269 meter. So this is how you will separate 7 kilometer and 269. But you have to follow this process. So I hope all of you have understood this, children. Okay. Now let us move to the next question. Let me show you one more question so that it becomes easy. Number J. 7060 meter. As we know what they have given in meter. So 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer. Therefore 7060 meter is equal to 7060 divided by 1000. Now as I have told you, how many zeros you have at the bottom? 1000. 1, 2, 3. Strike, and from the back you count 3 digit. 1, 2, 3. No matter if it is a 0, but still you will count it as 0, as 1 digit. That is why I have shown you 1, 2, 3. Now you will write here whatever you have in front. 7 kilometer 060 meter. I hope you have understood. Okay. Now the process for question number 2 is also same. But let us see, because the process is same but the unit is different. Sorry. Question number 2. A. They have given you 8,000 centimeter. 800 centimeter. They have asked you to convert that into meter and centimeter. So they have given you centimeter. So as we know, centimeter is smaller than meter. So 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by, because from small to big you have to divide. Now you see, let me write here: kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. Now they have given you centimeter and they have asked you meter. So two places, 1, 2. So you will divide by 100. 10 into 10, 100. That is equal to meter. Therefore, 800 centimeter is equal to 800 by 100. So you count 1, 2, 1, 2. So left is 8 meter. Now suppose if they would have given you millimeter and they would have asked you meter, so you would have divided by how much? How many places? 1 places, 2 places, 3. So you would have divided by 1000. 3 places 1000, 4 places 10,000, 5 places 1 lakh. So you would have divided like that. Let us take one more example. Suppose number I. 5050 centimeter. 5050 centimeter. So as we know, they have given you centimeter, so 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 centimeter. Now therefore 5005 centimeter is equal to 5005 divided by 100. So you count how many zero you have, 1, 2, strike off, and from the back 1, 2 you count and put a decimal. So whatever you have in front is the bigger unit, that is 50 meter, and you have 5 centimeter. So I hope all of you have understood this, children. So please complete this exercise 7.3, exercise 7.3 in the copy. So children, for today we will keep it till here. In the next class we will continue with the exercise. So for today up to this much. Thank you, class.